pengisi hatiku.
Is a black cat. He lives in a house. He drinks milk and eats cat food. His master gives him fish sometimes after each meal. He licks himself to clean his fur. Is a little cat, and his master calls him kitten. Tom loves to play with a ball of yarn. He pretends to see a rat, and he runs to catch it. He yells when he is angry, and of course when he feels happy. Tom is a happy cat, and he purrs a lot. Where is cat? Where is Tom? True or false? Tom lives in a house with his master. Tom is a happy kitten. Tom purrs when he is hungry. Tom eats fish sometimes. Tom loves to be clean. Tom plays with a rat. What can you do? Meow. Clean is for play, run. Check the right boxes. Right dust to likes to it. Circle the right pictures. The big black fish. I see a fish. It is a big black fish. The big black fish has a cup. It is a small red cup. The big black fish wants the small red cup. What do I see fish? What does the fish have red cup? Does the fish want its small red cup? Yes. A lantern is a lamp. You can carry. We use a lantern with the lights go out during a storm. Lightning is a flash of light in the sky. You see lightning during a storm. A ladder is used to reach high place. Daddy climbed a ladder to reach the roof. A lemon is a sour yellow fruit. You can make lemonade with lemons, water, and sugar. Leaves are parts of the plant tree. The many leaves on the tree. Naughty little sister. Stella got some sterilized cotton in a bottle. Hydrogen peroxide from the medicine cabinet She led her one person with the diet of it, then cover it with fresh bandage. She ran along the plane. Jasmine flowers are small, bright and fragrant like the sampagita. They grow in clusters and bloom throughout the year. Perfume is made from these flowers. Perfume made from jasmine flower is one among the best and the most costly in China. Jasmine flowers are also used to get tea fine. Current jasmine leaves with boiled yams give oil used as medicine. The jasmine plant is a short watch which can be grown from cuttings or by laying in laying. A branch is covered with soil and kept in place until the roots grow. The branch is then transplanted in roots or the ground. Various soil is best for jasmine plants. Chose the correct answer. Classroom, school hall, library, canteen, field, computer room, field, school hall, library, computer room, canteen, classroom. Write the words color. Magento, bon, pin, sa, pin, tagtok. Sarah likes to write. Sarah writes. Sarah likes to write. Sarah likes to write. She writes about dogs. She writes about elephants. She writes about frogs too. Complete the word. Dog, elephant, frog, and circle the correct option. Sarah likes to write. Sarah writes about dogs. Sarah writes about elephants. Sarah writes about frogs. Mele is happy to see us. We are on time for once. The dog is in the backyard. You are your cousin dog. He are then to enter the room. He is next. He is next in line. My parents are in the living room. Are you stairs. We are ready. She is the last one. Four, eight, nine, seven, third, first, six, fifth, seven. Draw a line to correct each point or bill in the left to each name on the right. 100 pesos, 1 pesos, 100 pesos, 1 peso, 20 pesos, 1,000 pesos, 5 peso, 500 peso, 200 peso, 25 centavos, 10 peso, 20 pesos. Second, third, first, fourth, fifth. Operate. He can operate the new motor. Climb, play the block, male kitten. Middle, a middle, and red will fix that there. Red, wolf, leg, thread, beneath the moon, foggy carry a flashlight on foggy nights. Gasoline, pump the gasoline into the 80. We saw 8 birds the week. Great new cars arrive on a regret train. Complete the workers must complete the job. Scary spiders are hairy and steady. Neighbor, their only neighbor was a mile away. Daily, door runs 5 miles daily. Screen on the cockroach screen such a fly. The police stop the speeding car. Explain. Now can you explain your answer? Future, he lovely. Eyes are her best future. Straight, connect the dots with a straight line. Memory and has a good memory for names. Contain the box. Contain facts about dogs. Populate. Unusual animal. Populate the stand. Able, if you are able to do something, you can do it. I am able to read this dictionary. Are you? Aircraft, the name for different kinds of machine that fly. Agree to take the same as other people. We all agree your heart is so big. Aquarium, a glass tank full of water for plants and fish. Author writes books, plays, appetite. When you're really want a meal, and your dinner smells lovely, it gives you an appetite. Monkey loves to play alone. Monkeys like on trees. They have a long tail. They love to eat bananas. A group of monkeys is called troop. Trees, banana, troop tail. An ocean is a large body of salty water. Ships sail across the ocean. An orange is a round orange fruit. A sweet, juicy orange is delicious and good for you. An ostrich is a big bird with a long neck. An ostrich cannot fly, but its long legs run very fast. Paint is a mixture that is used to color. I use many colors of paint for my picture. A pancake is a thin black cake. Pancakes are good with butter and syrup of them.